QR explanation of key functions of the teaching pendant. Mode selector switch, switching between 3 modes: manual teaching, teaching reproduction, and remote reservation. Emergency stop knob, to stop the robot in an emergency under abnormal circumstances. It can be rotated to the right to release the emergency stop. Hand wheel. In the program file, you can move the cursor up or down the line. Stop pause key. After pressing the stop button, the running program stops pause state. Forward key. Press and hold this key to run the program forward during trial run. Back key. Press and hold this key to run in reverse while single-stepping the program. Speed adjustment minus key. Reduce the speed of robot operation. Double speed adjustment plus key. Increase robot operation multiplier. Organization switch key. Switchable robot positioner. Servo enable key. Switch the servo enable state. Disable servo enable servo. Allow the servo to be powered on before moving the robot. Run mode switch key. Switch between single step, continuous and cycle modes. In teaching mode, only single step and continuous modes can be switched. Switch teaching, coordinate system key. Used to switch in teaching mode. Joint coordinates, Cartesian coordinates, user coordinates, tool coordinates. Clear key. Clear alarm pop-ups or error states in the information prompt area. Open-close command panel. Used to quickly open and close the shortcut key command panel. Turn monitor key on-off. Used to quickly open and close the monitor. Open-close program file key. Shortcut keys for opening and closing program folders or creating new folders. Coordinate key. Used to manually control the movement of each joint in the teaching state. Resetting key. Press and hold this key to quickly return to the working 0 position. Switch function indicator area key. Switching the lower function keys does not display the page. Welding enable on-off. Welding enable switch shortcut key during trial operation. It is closed for simulated welding and opened for actual welding. Wire feed button. Press and hold this key to feed the welding machine wire. In the operation interface, you can set two modes: inching wire feeding and continuous wire feeding. Unwinding key. For withdrawing welding wire. Gas check key. For checking gas flow. Swing arc-on key. When the program is running, it is opened for actual welding and closed for simulated welding. Welding parameter setting key. Used to quickly set welding process parameters. Call welding machine mode and call welding file number in welding program. Welding switch key. Used to set functions such as flying arc starting, overlapping, arc starting detection time, inching wire feeding, gas detection time, etc. Function keys. This key is an auxiliary function key and is used in conjunction with other keys. The back of the teaching pendant mainly contains safety switch and USB interface. The safety switch has 3 positions in total. The outermost gear and the innermost gear cut off the power of the robot. Turn on the robot power supply in the middle gear. If you hold or release the safety switch with force, the robot will disconnect the power supply and the motor will be in the brake state.